You will experience unexpected home and auto repairs. Are you prepared for them? According to a survey conducted by Bankrate, 28% of Americans have no emergency savings for unexpected expenses, such as home or auto repairs. The Federal Reserve reported that 39% of adults would not be able to cover an unexpected $400 expense without borrowing money or selling something. A study by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found that around 59% of Americans experienced unexpected home repair costs in the past 5 years. The Insurance Information Institute reported that the average cost of a home insurance claim for property damage is approximately $10,000. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, states that vehicle repairs can account for up to 10% of a household's annual income. A study published by TransUnion revealed that 43% of consumers experienced unexpected automotive repair costs in 2023. A survey conducted by HomeServe USA highlighted that 62% of homeowners had experienced an unexpected home repair in the past year. I wanted to share an exciting opportunity to save big on your home and auto repairs, while also helping others do the same. Imagine being able to keep more money in your pocket, without compromising on the quality of repairs. Our exclusive program has helped countless homeowners and car owners save thousands of dollars, and now, we want to extend this opportunity to you. Whether it's fixing a leaky roof or getting your car back on the road, we've got you covered. What's even better? You can receive all the details for free, with absolutely no obligation. We strongly believe in empowering our community to make informed decisions and take control of their finances. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to save, while also paying it forward by sharing these savings with others. Together, we can create a ripple effect of financial freedom. To get started, simply click the link below and sign up for our next Zoom. Once enrolled, we'll save you a seat for the January 3rd Zoom to learn about how to save thousands on home and auto repairs and help others do the same. Get the details now with no obligation. Remember, there's no time like the present to start saving. Take action today and transform your approach to home and auto repairs. I look forward to helping you save thousands. Everyone will save thousands on their home and auto repairs. But if you choose to share this incredible opportunity, you can make a job replacing income, and those who don't want to share, you can still earn hundreds in recurring income. Get registered today for free and get all the details.